in your presentation, very obvious, very noticeable po na marami sa mga pangalan binanggit ninyo, DPWH officials, contractors, pero kakonte, if at all, yung mga nabanggit na legislators who are.
Well, no, they're part of the list. We'll give you the complete list. I just didn't go through them because there are like 37 of them. So you'll get, as I said, you'll get a briefer, which will give you more detail on all of the things that I've said today.
Is the former speaker included in the list, sir?
I don't think so because the only evidence that has been made against him is in the Senate. So I don't know. No, with the speaker, no. Not as yet. Not as yet. If something else comes out, then he might have to be answerable for something. So, again, we don't file cases for optics. We file cases to put people in jail or to make people answer. I know that there are many, many suggestions of who else we should file cases against. Well, we're fine with that. Provide us the evidence and we will file cases against them. Kaya sinabi ko, napakahalaga yung sumbong sa Pangulo dahil marami kaming nakukuhang impormasyon dyan. So, pagpatuloy ninyo yung inyong pagsumbong. At bigyan nyo kami ng lahat ng ebidensya na meron kayo para magamit natin, para kasuhan kahit sino. Walang immune dito walang exempted dito sa mga investigasyon na ito.